Let's make two cabbages. Let's make a steamed cabbage and then let's make a fried cabbage. Now I want to show you the differences as to what makes this one fried and then what makes this one steamed. In as much as we're going to fry onions in both of them, but the method determines whether the cabbage becomes fried or it becomes steamed. Sawubona. Uchef Makamo lona. We want to fry our onions. Some people are actually making steamed cabbage and then they call it a braised cabbage. Some people are making fried cabbage and they're calling it a steamed cabbage. So I really want to showcase the difference between steamed and fried. You don't want to caramelize your onions too much and turn them too brown, because you don't want your cabbage to look braised. You want it to look really steamed. When your onion is like this, it's just as perfect. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our cabbage. We didn't add any seasoning, nothing, zero. We're only gonna season our cabbage as we are cooking it. Now for our steamed cabbage, we're only going to add cabbage. That's it. As we cook our steamed cabbage, we're just gonna go in with the water, just so that our cabbage can steam and not fry. Now after you've added that mini water, you're gonna close your pot and allow your cabbage to steam. Even though the onions are a bit caramelized, that brown, it's giving it a nice color. Now our cabbage has steamed for a good 5 minutes. Now chef, how are we gonna give flavor to our steamed cabbage? Guys, it's January. Let's pretend we are all broke. I'm gonna use this chicken stock. The reason why I'm not gonna melt it in hot water, it's because there's already a bit of water here, so I don't want to add too much water. So you're just gonna crumble your chicken stock a bit, add your chicken stock there, and then you're also gonna add your chicken flavored seasoning. Don't add too much, just add a bit to give your cabbage a bit of flavor. With the steam that is already there and with the bit of water that is already in here, your stock is gonna get a chance to really melt, and this is gonna give good flavor to your cabbage. Now when you've done this, you've actually executed your steamed cabbage properly. Just make sure that you don't leave it for too long or it's gonna be too brown, and you don't want that. You're gonna close the pot for another 2 minutes. Now after another 3 minutes, we're gonna check in our steamed cabbage. I can smell the stock, I can smell the bay spice. This cabbage is now cooked. This is best for your kids. This is best for people who've got ulcers. This is best for people who've got chronic illnesses, whatever type. You can cook it a bit more depending on how the people you're cooking for prefer it. After a good 10 minutes, your cabbage is now cooked. We're gonna remove it off.